700 V3 Azaels. Sick. They also glow in the dark. As always, these are fire. Go follow me at MoneyMitch495 on Instagram. Go like my page on Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel on YouTube. Like, comment. I only give y'all the exclusives. Only the exclusives. I also got the aliens. I gotta do a review on those. That'll come shortly. I was gonna add these both together, but as you can see, this deserves a review of its own. It's up there for the sneaker of the year. It glows in the dark. It's crazy. Midsole is like that. Aliens, kinda. Yeah, Yeezy's killing them right now. As always, these are fire. Go follow me. Go check me out. I appreciate all the love. I appreciate all the recommendations. And they all for sale. Peace.